Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, may I know your introduction, please?
Yes, okay. I'm Mahendra Kumar Limbu.
Mm-hmm.
I'm from eastern part of Nepal,
Okay.
which place is called Ilam.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you are married?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay, how many children do you have?
I have only one son.
Only one son.
Yeah.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
Okay, your education level?
I have passed intermediate level.
Intermediate level. Completed?
Yeah, I already completed.
Completed, okay. Can you tell me about your height and weight?
Yes, I'm 5.3 inch height and 44 kg weight.
Okay. How many members are there in your family?
I have 7 members in my family.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
Uh, I don't have any other experience, but I can work as a waiter.
Where?
As a waiter,
Where? Where did you work as a waiter?
I work in Saudi Arabia 3 years.
3 years as a waiter.
Yeah.
Okay, what was the name of that company?
Al Mazal Al Arabi.
Al Mazal Al Arabi.
Arabi Group.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was your duty? Being a waiter, what kind of duties you did there?
I work as a food server there to provide food to the patient in hospital.
Okay. You took the vaccine of COVID?
Yeah, I already take.
Okay. Do you have the card?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Why do you want to go to Romania?
I want to go Romania to earn some money.
Okay. Do you have anyone, friends and relatives in Romania?
No,
No.
I don't have friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
For which post you are going to apply for Romania?
I want to apply for factory worker.
Okay. If you select for factory worker, do you have any objection? Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, man. How many years you will be there in Romania if you got the visa?
Maybe I will stay there more than 5 years.
More than 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay, man. Best of luck.
Okay, thank you.